07836 353 985. We're in Levenshulme today near Manchester. We're doing a power flush. It's a combination boiler system. We've hooked up into the main flow and return of the system. The customer's got some cold radiators, especially upstairs. So we've hooked into the system, and the water is, it's quite black, quite sludgy. We're heating the water up at the minute, just with the Camco combi heat. We've put some Camco FX2 chemical in there, and we're also going to fit a Spirotech Magna Booster filter on the return for this customer today. Okay, if you don't know what a power flush is, power flushing is just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, all your pipe work, your radiators, your boiler, etc. Just getting everything nice and clean inside. We may put a little bit of copper in the machine later, just to give you an idea of the effectiveness of our power flushing service. The actual chemicals we use, they're the best chemicals you can buy. We send away for them. We don't use any cheap chemical. We're here to do the job properly, and that's what we do. Price wise, if you've got a British Gas contract or a home serve contract, we're up to 50% cheaper than them. We believe we're one of the best actual power flush companies in the country. We think about the system, we think about exactly what it needs, and we do the job 100% properly. You get a pH and TDS certificate of the power flush, just to prove to any utility company that the power flush has been done, it's been done correctly. And the inhibitor we add is a Sentinel X100 inhibitor when the power flush is completed. So only the best chemicals are going into these jobs. Okay, we'll just get on with the job, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. And not only that, okay, Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing. Okay, we've got this old bit of copper here. What we're going to do, we're just going to let it, stick it in the machine just while the power flushing is on, and you can see how oxidised it is, etc. And we'll just let that in the machine while we're doing the power flush, and we'll come back to the pipe later on and see how it is. Okay, we'll also mention the areas we cover. We cover basically all the northwest. We travel to Blackpool, we go down to Stafford, Stoke, etc. All the northwest area really. Altrincham, Chester. I was in Chester the other day. Just give me a call with your area, and I'm sure we'll be able to sort you out. Okay, we'll just get on with the job, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing. This is the return pipe to the boiler. We need to alter this. We more or less need to make another bit of pipe up, because there's too many curves and kinks in it, and we just won't be able to fit the filter on it. That joint there, that's just in the way. So we're gonna chop this up soon and resolder and make another pipe. So we'll do that soon. Okay, thanks. Hi Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing. Okay, we've just made this other bit of pipe up. We've just soldered it up. Nice new bit of pipe to accept this new Spirotech Magna Booster filter. Okay, so we'll just get on with the job, and we'll get back to you later. Alright. Hi Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing. We're just going to take a look at this little bit of pipe I've got dipped in the machine. It's only been in there about an hour and a half now. Okay. Yeah, wow, look at that. See? If you can see that little bit of pipe that's been in the machine, and the bit that hasn't been in the machine, and more importantly, inside the pipe as well, it's nice and clean. That's just a little bit of chemical hanging around in there. But if you imagine that's the inside of your central heating pipe work, and if you can see how clean that's getting, and obviously this chemical is passing through the inside of them, so that's basically what it's doing to the inside of your pipes, getting them nice and clean, so you're going to get a better flow around your system. You're going to be able to turn your boiler down, save on gas, etc. And really that's what power flushing is all about. A lot of heating engineers, they just don't actually bother doing it. Most of them don't do it, in fact, because they just think it's okay to run a little bit of water through. If you're getting a new boiler, it just doesn't make sense not to have a power flush. If you're getting a new boiler and you're not having a power flush, you're going to get all the old rust and corrosion and sludge and metal, etc. that's going to end up running through your new boiler, and you know, why do that? It's just going to wreck your boiler eventually. So excuse me, you really do need to get your system power flushed if you're getting a new boiler. Okay, so you can give us a call. Alright, we're just going to get on with the job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry, here's Pro Power Flushing, just back to this job in Leveraging. We're just going to take a look at the magnet. We've just put it on bypass. I haven't been in there for long actually. So yeah, that's all the sludge and rust that's coming out of the system. Some fairly big pieces on the top there. That's what destroys pumps, valves, and generally plugs your central heating system up. Okay, we'll just get on with this job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi Barry, here's Pro Power Flushing. This is the inhibitor we'll be adding, Sentinel X100, really good inhibitor. We'll be adding that through a radiator later because we're going to have to sort of drain down again to put the Spirotech Magna Booster filter back on. Okay, so we'll just add that through a radiator and we'll get back to you later. Okay. Hi Barry, here's Pro Power Flushing. Okay, that's the power flush done now. We're just packing away. It's December 2012. The 21st I think it is, just before Christmas. The power flush has gone okay. Radiators are heating up really nicely, etc. So if you need any power flushing done, we're in Manchester today, 11 June. We'll cover all the northwest. Just give me a call, telephone number 07836 353 985. Okay, thanks.